Talofa Lava, this is your boy, Young Stefan. I'm hanging out with the opera stars of the Pacific. Boys, introduce yourselves.
My name is Moses Mackay.
Talofa Lava, my name is Samson Setu.
Talofa, I'm Ludwig Treviranus.
And I am Pene Pati.
Tell us, why is everyone here in American Samoa?
Well, everyone's here, well, first of all, because they live here. Just a little joke. But one of the main reasons that we're here is to celebrate classical music, especially as Samoans.
It's the first time we're having opera on in American Samoa, so we just really want to show people what we've been doing for the last 10, 20 years.
One of the things that we've never had here in American Samoa is opera and classical music. The orchestra, they play the instruments, then the dancers, they dance. Then you have the opera singers who sing. So we really wanted to bring that experience for them.
The many students that are going to be witnessing their talent really has the opportunity to be reached out to and also to be inspired in chasing and pursuing their dreams.
The big thing that we've been really excited about is to come and share our love of classical and opera, which is not really heard of amongst islanders, right? Among 4 of the high schools. And then coming together to share a massive, massive gala night with everybody here. That's why we're here, share our love for music.
You have to start somewhere. And when we were growing up, when we were young teenagers, you know, we were only exposed to your normal hip-hop, R&B, country, whatever the music was playing, but very few classical music.
Whenever you come back to the islands, it's the amount of humility that everyone has in expressing their artistry. And what we've noticed when people go to sing, when the kids go to sing, is that they're hiding such incredible talent. And once they break out, it is insane.
So we know what it's like to be influenced at such a young age and how important it is for our young people to hear what we are striving to do and become. I taught these kids so that they could sing it in Italian and feel like they are part of the classical world.
There are so many different young artists and creatives here. And so to be able to bring that to the big stage, that's what we're most excited about.
I guess we are sort of ambassadors of classical music and opera singing to our own people, and, you know, hopefully one day they'll be able to go and show the world their talent too.
For a lot of these kids, it was the first time they had heard an orchestra. The National Orchestra of Samoa were there. And for it to be able to share their love of violins, of cellos, of double basses, it was such a cool moment for us to share a whole nother world that these kids had never heard of.
The high schools here are so energetic, so we were going in there, you know, not knowing what to expect. Our mission to teach them about classical music and inform them on what that was. But we were able to, I guess, feed off their energy, and in turn we were able to give back.
If you want to be a musician, if you want to be a singer, you're singing every day.
The winner is Pene Pati.
Imagine us making this career something big and we had no one really guide the way. And now that we've given some sort of guidance, imagine what they'll be. They'll be representing Samoa.
What we've seen so far has been phenomenal.
That's something to be proud of.